Good morning! This is my breakfast today. Laswa! Yummy! This is came from my garden. Mayroong alugbate, dahon ng kamote, saluyot, at malunggay. Lahat ito organic. Magluluto tayo ng laswa.
Nakulo ang bulalo. Dito ko ilalagay ang aking laswa para may lasa. Halo-halo lang. Alugbate. And kamote. See? Laswa ang tawag sa amin. And then later, lagay ko ang malunggay. See? Green leafy vegetables. Luto na.
I'm so excited! Yummy! With 2 pieces of egg and dried fish. Came from Antique and black coffee. Itong mga food na ito yung nagwala ng aking high blood, cholesterol, uric acid. No rice for almost 1 year. Limit sa sugary food. Stay healthy.